The strawberries. I ate it. Are we almost done? Put this strawberry away from me.
Just take a bite.
It's done.
Is that his last bite? Dude!
That's your last bite and then you get it.
You have to just clean off that spoon.
But I'm tired.
Okay. Then you want to try it again tomorrow? Start with a new one?
Then you have to eat a whole new one. No.
Okay, just take a bite.
Go away. Yeah, I'm done.
Finish the spoon.
Can we go? Can we go?
Finish the spoon.
I'm
Finish
done.
the spoon. Clean it off.
Happy?
No.
Happy?
Delighted. You did it. What do you have to say for yourself?
Do we get to go now?
What do you say for yourself? Was it delicious? Will you eat another one tomorrow?
No. I want to buy it. Okay,
Will you eat another one tomorrow?
I want to buy it. Yes. Me and Mommy will go.